Welcome to another video, and it is your boy Chef André Davy. And right here I have some lovely cucumbers in which I'm going to use to make a simple cucumber salad. Okay, so firstly what you want to do, you want to go ahead and wash your cucumber. Okay, and then you want to go ahead and remove the skin. Okay, amazing. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the cucumber in half. Okay. Then you want to go ahead and slice thinly. Like this. Not too thick, not too thin, okay? Okay, nice. So what you want to do, you just want to go ahead and put your cucumber in your bowl, okay? Okay guys, so here we go. So to this, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and add some black pepper. Just a pinch of black pepper. A pinch of salt. Some dry parsley. Or if you have the green parsley, the fresh parsley, that one is better, okay? Then you want to go ahead and give this a nice little toss. And I'll be using ranch as the dressing. So just put roughly 3 tablespoons of ranch. And here we go guys. Our cucumber salad is ready. Nice and easy. Perfect for lunch. Perfect for dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I'll catch you in another one pretty soon. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Goodbye.